In this video we discuss the chapter sets. In the last video we have completed exercise 1.5. So in the beginning we will see some properties of operation of intersection. Properties of operation of intersections. Properties of intersection. Of operation. The first property is A intersection B equals to B intersection A. A intersection B equals to B intersection A. This is called commutative law. A intersection B is always equals to B intersection A. Then A intersection B intersection C. A intersection B intersection C. Here A and B are in bracket. This can be written as A intersection B intersection C. We have taken B and C in the bracket. This is called associative law. Third is phi intersection A equals to phi. Phi intersection A is equals to phi. And U intersection A equals to A. U means universal set. U intersection A equals to A. Phi intersection A equals to phi and U intersection A equals to A. This is called law of phi and U. Law of phi means empty set and U means universal set. Phi intersection A equals to phi and U intersection A equals to A. Then A intersection A equals to A. A intersection A is equals to A. And this is called idempotent law. This law is called idempotent law. And there is distributive law. A intersection B union C. A intersection B union C is written as A intersection B union A intersection C. This is called distributive law. A intersection in bracket B union C equals to A intersection B union A intersection C. This is called distributive law. Now some properties of complement sets. Some properties of complement sets. Complement set means complement of set A. is represented by A dash and which is equals to U minus A. Complement of set B is represented by B dash equals to U minus B. So the first law is complement law. First is complement law. And complement law is given A union A dash equals to U. A union A dash equals to U. And the second complement law is A intersection A dash equals to phi. A intersection A dash is equals to phi. We can prove by taking example. Let U equals to 1, 2, 3, 4 and set A equals to 3, 4. Then we prove the first property. So firstly we find A dash and A dash is given by U minus A. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and minus 3, 4. So we have to see those elements of U which are not in A, and this is 1, 2. Now we find A union A dash. A union A dash. So the value of A is 3, 4 and the value of A is 3, 4 and the value of A dash is 1, 2. So it becomes 1, 2, 3 and 4, and which can be written as U. So it has been proved that A union A dash is equals to universal set U. And proof for second rule, A intersection A dash. A intersection A dash. So the value of A is 3, 4. Intersection A dash comes to be 1, 2. And there is no any elements common. So it will be 5. Next rule is called De Morgan's law. De Morgan's law. Second is De Morgan's law. And De Morgan's law gives A union B dash. A union B dash equals to A dash intersection B dash. A union B whole dash. A union B whole dash equals to A dash intersection B dash. And second rule is A intersection B whole dash. A intersection B whole dash equals to A dash union B dash. We can also prove this result. By taking the same example, we can prove this result. So let U equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. Set A equals to 1, 2 and set B equals to 2, 3, 4. Then we find A union B. So A union B is given by 1, 2 union 2, 3, 4. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we find, let us take UH 5 also. Now we have to find A union B dash. A union B the whole dash is equals to U minus A union B. And the elements of U is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minus A union B is 1, 2, 3, 4. We have to write those elements of U which is not in B. So 5 is not available in B, A union B. So it is 5. So this is LHS A union B dash. Now we solve RHS. So RHS is A dash, and A dash is calculated by U minus A, and U is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minus A. Set A is 1, 2. So those elements of U which is not in A. So this is 1, 2 is available, 3, 4, 5. Then we calculate B dash. So B dash is U minus B, and U is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minus B. Set B is 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. So 2, 3, 4 would be excluded. So we get 1, 5. Now we have to find A dash intersection B dash. So A dash is 3, 4, 5. Intersection B dash is 1, 5. Then what is common in both the sets? 5 is common. So this was LHS and this is RHS. So we can write that LHS is equals to RHS. So we prove this result. A union B whole dash equals to A dash intersection B dash. Similarly, we can prove A intersection B whole dash equals to A dash union B dash. Now, law of double complementation. Law of double complementation. Complement of complement is a set itself. Means A dash the whole dash is A. Complement of a complement is a set itself. And law of empty set and universal set. Phi dash equals to U. Phi dash is equals to U. This is called law of empty set. And law of universal set. U dash equals to phi. U dash equals to phi. This is called law of empty set. And this is law of universal set. Now we discuss addition rule, practical problems on union and intersection of two rules. The addition rule. for union and intersection. If A and B are two sets, if A and B are finite sets, if A and B are finite sets, if A and B are finite sets, and if A intersection B equals to phi, and if A intersection B equals to phi, null set, then N A union B equals to N of A plus N of B. N means number. Number of elements of set A union B is equals to number of elements of set A plus number of elements of set B. When A and B are finite sets, and if A intersection B equals to phi, then number of elements of A and B, A union B, and A union B, number of elements of A union B is equals to number of elements of set A and plus number of elements of set B. And in general, means if A intersection B is not phi, then number of elements of N A union B, number of elements of A union B is written as N of A, number of elements of set A plus number of elements of set B minus number of elements of set A intersection B. In general, the rule is given by N A union B is equals to N A plus N B and minus N A intersection B. If A, B, C are finite sets, if this is second, if A, B, C are three finite sets, then number of A union B union C, if A, B, C are three finite sets, then N A union B union C is equals to N of A plus N of B plus N of C minus N A intersection B minus N A union B. Minus N B union C minus N C union A and plus N A intersection B intersection C plus N A intersection B intersection C. NA plus NB plus NC minus NA intersection B minus NB intersection C minus NC intersection A plus N of A intersection B intersection C. This is the formula for three finite sets. Now we discuss exercise 1.6. Exercise 1.6 is based on these formulas. First question of exercise 1.6. We are given x and y are two sets such that n of x equals to 70. Number of elements of set x is 70. Number of elements of set y equals to 23. Number of elements of set y equals to 23. N of y equals to 23. And n of x union y. N of x union y equals to 38. Number of elements of x union y equals to 38. Then find n x intersection y. Then find number of elements of x intersection y. So we use the addition rule. NA union B equals to NA plus NB minus NA intersection B. Here at the place of A and B, there is x and y. So NX union y equals to N of x plus N of y and minus N of x intersection y. So we have to find Nx intersection y, and Nx union y is given 38, and N of x is 17, N of y is 23, and minus Nx intersection y as it is. So we get 38 equals to 17 plus 23, 40, and minus Nx intersection y. This will go on left side, becomes positive. So N of x intersection y equals to 40 minus 38, and we get the result N of x intersection y equals to 2. So we get the answer N of x intersection y equals to 2, which we have to be calculated. Now second question, x and y are two sets such that x union y has 18 elements. X union y has 18 elements. N of x union y is equals to 18. X has 8 elements and y has 15 elements. N of x equals to 8 and y has 15 elements. N of y equals to 15. Then how many elements does x intersection y? So we have to calculate N of x intersection y. How many elements x intersection y has? So use the same formula. N of x union y. N of x union y equals to N of x plus N of y and minus N of x intersection y. Here we have given the value of N x union y is 18 and N of x is 8, N of y is 15 and minus N of x intersection y. So we get 18 equals to 18 plus 5, 15 plus 8, 23 and minus Nx intersection y. This will go on left side, becomes positive. So n of x intersection y equals to 23 minus 18, and n of x intersection y is equals to 5. 23 minus 18 equals to 5. So we calculated n of x intersection y, which is equals to 5. Now third question, in a group of 400 people, 250 can speak Hindi and 200 can speak English. In a group of 200 people, the total people is 200. The total people is 200 and 250 speak Hindi and 200 speak English. So total people is 400. So n of H union E equals to 400. The people who speak English and Hindi and 250 speak Hindi means n of H. H means Hindi. Number of people who speak Hindi is 250. And number of people who speak English is given as 200. So, how many people can speak both English and Hindi? Both English and Hindi means common, means intersection. So, we have to calculate n of H intersection E. So, we use the formula n of H union E. N of H union E equals to n of H plus n of E and minus n of H intersection E. And H union E is 400, n of H is 250, n of E is 200, and we have to calculate n of H intersection E. So it becomes 400 equals to 250 plus 200, 450 minus n of H intersection E. This will go on left side, becomes positive. So n of H intersection E equals to 450 minus 400, and we get the result n of H intersection E equals to 50. So the number of people who speak Hindi and English both is 50. Question number 4. S and T are two sets. Thus, that S has 21 elements. N of S is 21. We are given S and P are two sets, and number of elements of set A is 21. N of S is 21, and T has 32 elements. So N of 2 equals to 32 elements. Then S intersection T has 11 elements. N of S intersection T. N of S intersection T. It has 11 elements. Then how many elements does S union T have? We have to calculate N S union T. So we use the formula N of S union T is written as N of S plus N of T and minus N of S intersection T. So n of S is 21, n of P is 32, and n of S intersection T is 11. So this becomes 353 minus 11, which is 42. So the number of elements of S union T have 42.